Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna show you how to use Skool to sell digital products. If you want to make money online with courses, templates, or guides, this is a simple way to get started. First, sign up on Skool and create your community. This will act as your main hub where customers access your digital products. Next, decide what digital product you want to sell. This could be an online course, an ebook, templates, or even a step-by-step guide. Keep it focused on solving one problem. Now upload your product into the classroom section. Organize it into lessons or sections so it's easy for your customers to follow. Then set your price and restrict access. Only paying members should be able to view your digital product. This is how you turn your content into income. Finally, promote your product. Share it on social media, YouTube, or through your network. As people join and purchase access, you start making sales. And that's it. Selling digital products with Skool is really that simple. Create your product, upload it, and start promoting, then grow your income over time.